Hello, welcome to Studio Pixel. In this tutorial, we'll discuss about the sampling calculations in Arnold on Maya. So a lot of people have asked me that they don't understand this camera samples calculations, and this tutorial is about this calculations. I'm not going to discuss about the diffuse, how the diffuse works, or the specular works, or the transmission works, but how this number of values is actually calculated in the total number of samples that we're going to use while you are rendering. This is a very important one because you need to understand how you can optimize your sampling values. Too many samples is not gonna give you any better result, but will take a lot of time to render. So we need to really understand what things are actually, what kind of calculations are actually going on. Now you can see there are two different kind of sampling values over here. One is the very important one, which is the camera sampling values. Another one is the specific AOVs. Now there it's very interesting to see that it's over here in camera AA or anti-aliasing. I have put 3, but it is showing the number of samples are 9, whereas if it is 2 in my diffuse, but the total number of sample value is 36. So how this calculation works? Now first start with the camera. The camera calculation works is directly squaring it up. Like if I have 3 over here, so it has to be 3 into 3 equals to 9. Okay, so if I change it to 5, it will become 35. Here you can see, but you can see the diffuse sample also get increased. So there is a connection between the diffuse and the camera or any other sample values. So how those things works? Let's take this one. Diffuse, if I'm squaring it up, it's become 4. So here if I say diffuse is 2, which is 2 into 2, which will become 4. But now you'll understand this is 9 and this one is 4. So the total number will be 4 into 9, 4 into 9, which is 36, which will be the number of samples you can see over here. So now if I increase this to 5, it will become, camera will become 25, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 25 is 100. It sees the maths, very simple mathematics that is happening. If I make this diffuse 1, then what will gonna happen? 25 and 1 into 1 is 1, so the maximum sample for the diffuse will be 25. So what is the math? Math is 1 into 1, which is of course 1, and here also you have to say 1. This will become 5 into 5, that is 25, and this will become 25, which is become 25 at that. So this is how it works. So first these values will be self squared, like 5 into 5, 25, and then this one is getting, this one is getting 1 into 1 is 1, and then they will multiply with each other. So 25 into 1, that is 25. So that's how the calculation of the sampling is happening in the Arnold render in Maya. So I hope this is really helpful for you guys, and please, if you like this tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you very much.